Guys, do you ever wonder what it's like to score a perfect 100 percentile in MBA CET? Not 99.9, not 99.99, but a perfect 100 percentile. This Friday, the top percentile is arranging a session with a 100 percentiler, Tanmay Valunj. He had scored a perfect 100 percentile and was an AIR 1. This session we have kept specially for aspirants who've been wanting to get into their top B schools, and we wanted them to learn from the best. So this Friday, Tanmay would be sharing all the insights, how he prepared for CET, what was his schedule like, how many mocks did he give, and the one special thing that he'll be mentioning is how AI helped him get an edge over thousands of people. So if you're serious about preparation and really want to get into JBIMS, this is the session for you. If you really want to attend this, there's a Google form right in the description. You can fill it and secure your spot. There's just one catch. We have limited seats. So if you're really serious, please fill the seats ASAP, because if the seats get full, it'll be very difficult for us to accommodate. This session is absolutely free. There are no costs, no hidden charges, nothing. We just want the aspirants to really learn from the best, because the ones who learn from the best become the best. So without much delay, just fill the Google form in the description and we'll see you at the webinar.